Instructions for Sublue Swii electronic kickboard battery. Take out the battery, charging stand and adapter. Connect the adapter and power cord. Keep the battery red mark on top facing up. Insert it into the charging stand. The red light indicates charging is in progress. Charging will be complete in around 4 hours. Open the battery cover. Insert the battery. Complete the installation. Now, enjoy a fun time in water. A blinker line indicates power is low. On leaving water, hold kickboard vertically to drain the water. Make sure that your hands are dry before replacing the battery. Wipe the battery contacts dry. Replace the battery and wipe it dry before charging. If you are boarding a plane or are not planning to use the kickboard for a long time, take the battery out and store it separately. Instructions for Sublue Swii electronic kickboard cleaning and maintenance. Regularly maintain your Swii to ensure a long life of fun. Clean only with water. Do not use chemical cleaning products. Immerse operating propellers in water for 3 seconds 5 to 10 times. Shake the kickboard and remove any objects attached to it. Wipe the kickboard dry. Remove the battery. Place it in a cool and ventilated place to dry. Use the Sublue Go app to connect with kickboard. Click Self-Cleaning. Immerse kickboard in clean water. Run propellers on low speed for 1 minute. Click off Self-Cleaning in the app after cleaning. Remove the battery and place it in a cool and ventilated place to dry. Remove battery and store separately when not in use. Storage temperature 32 Fahrenheit to 122 Fahrenheit. Store kickboard in dry ventilated place. Instructions for using the Sublue Swii electronic kickboard in water. Unlock more fun in the water with the Sublue Swii electronic kickboard. Download the Sublue Go app. Switch on power by pressing the main power button under the kickboard. The power light will flash. Turn on Bluetooth and connect the Swii kickboard. Hold the kickboard on both sides and simultaneously press buttons and the handholds to start. Releasing either button will stop the propulsion. Press the main power button continuously to switch the power off. Children must be over 6 years old and be accompanied by an adult. Please avoid swimming in crowds while using the kickboard. Beginners should wear safety equipment and use kickboard in safe waters. For more information, please check www.sublue.com. Sublue Swii electronic kickboard